share this video and please listen this article. Manipur is burning, Manipur is burning. Everyone talks about it unknowingly, and even national media also fails to find the real story of this war on Meiteis. Actually, sufferers are convicted to the attacker. So now here is the real story, how it started, who started it, and why it is started. On 3rd May 2023, the very unfortunate day of Manipur, there was a peace rally in all hill district of Manipur, and this was concluded very peacefully except in Chuanchanpur and moreover in Kampopi, where Kuki are majority in this area. In Chuanchanpur, the peace rally started from public ground and it had to reach peace ground, Chuanchanpur. It is of 4 km distance approximately. However, the peace rally was not a peace rally at all. Lots of abusive words used undemocratically and vandalism was its part. It was a rally with heavily armed militant, that is a non-state actor, Chin Kuki militant party. So the rally started at around 11:30 and continued up to 1:30, submitting a memorandum to DC Chuanchanpur. But the most important thing is that after the peace rally was concluded, there came a rumor that Meitei burned down Anglo-Kuki War Centenary Gate, which is located at Waikuro, which is located around 3 km from Torbung and Bangla. And this is completely a well-planned trap of Kuki. The real thing is that they set up the whole drama to start this war. It is because the said Waikuro area is a stronghold area of Kuki, and it is impossible for Meiteis to do such act. So as the rumor was made stronger, the Kukis started to burn down Meitei villages to ash and started to fire non-stop. After complete vandalizing the villages of Torbung, Kangwai and Bangla, the Kukis returned to Chuanchanpur, that is a new Chuanchanpur city towns, and started to attack Meitei Laikai. The vandalizers led by Chin Kuki militant set fire the houses of Meitei, especially in Khumuzamba, Meitei Laikai, Khugal Laikai or Zobe. Sorry. They started it at around 5:30 p.m. The attack started from New Moltuk side and followed by Zomunom and Hangzhou. The local supported the Sin Kuki militants. Even state force and central force refused to protect the properties and house of Meitei. The foe surrendered and left the innocent Meiteis on their fate. So the same thing, burning house, looting properties of Meitei happened simultaneously at More town also, and Kampopi also, and Dolai Tabi also. So it clearly said that it is a pre-planned by the Kuki militants, that is the non-state actor. Here, these Kukis were doing this act terrorists in presence of security force. They first burned down Asa Rice Hotel, More Bazaar. This torching of house continued till 27 of May 2023. They burned down More Ward number 7, Haino Makong, Turen Wangma, Ward number 7, etc. Altogether, it showed that it is a planned attack. So like this at Kampopi, Dolai Tabi and other places were on attack at the same day at time. This incident forced Meitei to take off counter-attack and started to act on Kuki inhabited area in Infan on 4 May 2023. But Meitei stopped it on next day. However, Kuki still continues it, killing so many people, burning thousands of houses in all 4 sides of the valley. This is how the class started and how it is started. So the next point is nothing. However, it appears that the real issue behind the present situation is different than it appears to be. Apparently, the reservation issue as ground for other hidden agenda. Some of the issues that has led to the present situation are, let me explain one by one. First, our Honorable Chief Minister war on drug involving a wide-scale destruction of poppy plantation carried out mostly in the Hill District by some illegally immigration cookie. This has delivered a huge blow on the economy of this particular community. According to the data from 2017 to 2023, the most destruction poppy plants are Churachandpur, Kampopi, Chandel, Technopol. Second, the recent discussed NRC, that is the National Register of Citizenship, which is most likely affect the same particular community the most. This is to be considered one of the biggest factors behind the dissatisfactions of this particular community against the present administration. Implementations of the NRC will put a full stop on their illegal immigrations into our state of Manipur. So the third, our Honorable Chief Minister drive against illegal immigration, which is once more connected to the NRC, and it is the right step toward stopping illegal immigrations from our neighboring country, Myanmar. Ongoing arrests of illegal immigrations on More area of Manipur has affected the same particular community, means Kuki Chin. Fourth, the ongoing fight the present government to save the reserve forest from illegal occupations and settlement by certain community, that is who I repeat are not indigenous people of the state Manipur but have rather migrated illegally. So therefore it is the voice of all indigenous tribe and high time to demolish the drug mafia, implementations of NRC immediately to save the indigenous people of the state, and supervisions on suspensions of Operation Sue with strong policy. We are not feeling safe in our land. We are not guarded by the constitutions. We extremely need immediate steps to be taken by Indian government or will be due in no time. Thank you so much. However, I have said it is not an imagination. I have all the proof and videos. No national media has this proof, and I won't upload it, nor any social media, as it can ignite meetings again. But we want peace because all both communities, that is Meitei and Kuki, are in a very precarious state, a state of survival. So please help us to reach it United Nations, please. Thank you.